Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Pharmano. Guys, today video topic is how to add citation and references using Mendeley desktop. In this video, I detail discuss about how to add reference and citation using Mendeley desktop. Guys, this is very important video for your knowledge purpose and information purpose to how to add reference and citation in your publication, in your review article and your research paper. Let's start. Guys, you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You get all notification of my new videos. Let's start guys. Myself Ankush Banso, Department Pharmacology and Toxicology, Naiparar, Lucknow. Guys, this is a mainly desktop. Mainly desktop used in the add the citation and references in any review article and any research paper. I tell how to add reference and citation. Suppose I took this information Alzheimer disease heterogeneous. This is the information about Alzheimer disease from this research paper. It is Alzheimer disease and updated on pathophysiology and treatment strategy. I take this information using this research paper Alzheimer disease. This I want to add citation and reference into this paragraph. This paragraph for this citation and this reference for this research paper. You want to add reference and citation. Firstly, you downloaded the PDF file of this research paper using Google Scholar, PubMed, Science Directed. Because of mainly only accepted PDF file, and you download the PDF file of that research paper. Mainly accepted only PDF file. Okay, then how to add citation and references. This is mainly desktop. Firstly, go to selected and search mainly desktop. This is mainly desktop. Then selected add. This is add research paper. Firstly, open after opening mainly desktop, add the research paper. For adding the research paper, you must remember the author name that research paper. It is a title Alzheimer disease and updated pathophysiology and treatment strategy, and this is a author name like Justin Long and David Holtzman, and publication in 2019. This is a 2019 in publishing Cell. Okay, and this for adding citation and reference, you firstly add that research paper. Add, selected add, click add and go to that research paper. Selected that research paper Long. It is the author name that research paper Long 2019 and open this. After open that research paper, open this mainly say the Long, Justin and Holtzman, David M. I want to citation and bibliography and reference in this paragraph and how to add. Firstly, go to references and insert citation. Click the insert citation and search that author name like author name Long. It is a research paper that Alzheimer disease and updated pathophysiology and treatment and strategy. After selecting OK, Okay guys, this is a completed citation log and headsman. It is a citation log as headsman. Holdsman. I want to add references. For references, you select it, write reference. Write one and reference. Go to references and insert bibliography. Bibliography also known as reference. Use insert bibliography and select it and click. After clicking, they are automatically completed the references that research paper in proper format. It is a how to add and references and citation. Okay guys, that's all for today videos. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. In this way you add references and citation.